Hello children, this video is for class 5, subject English Literature, chapter number 10, Feeding of the 5000. Feeding of the 5000. Let's get started. One day, Jesus and his disciples went on board a ship and sailed to a secluded part of the coast where they might have a little rest. बोर्ड शिप मीन्स शिप पर चढ़ना. डिसाइपल्स फॉलोअर्स शिष्य. एंड सिक्लूडेड मीन्स लोनली अकेला या एकांत. वन डे जीसस एंड हिज डिसाइपल्स वेंट ऑन बोर्ड अ शिप एंड सेल्ड टू अ सिक्लूडेड पार्ट ऑफ द कोस्ट वेयर दे माइट हैव अ लिटिल रेस्ट. फॉर wherever Jesus went, people in the cities crowded him so closely that he did not even have time to eat or rest. After a voyage of a few hours, voyage means journey by ship. Ship से journey करना. After a voyage of a few hours, Jesus and his disciples landed and went to a place where they sat down to rest. They thought they would stay there for some time, get refreshed, and then go back to the city. But that was not to be. It means Jesus and his followers boarded a ship and went to a secluded part of the coast where they wanted to take rest. But wherever Jesus went, the people of the cities surrounded him so closely, and Jesus did not have time to eat or rest. After a long journey by ship, he landed with his followers and went to a place and thought that they would stay there for some time to take rest and then go back to the city. But this did not happen. एक दिन यीशु और उनके शिष्य जहाज पर चढ़े और तट के एक एकांत हिस्से में चले गए जहां उन्हें थोड़ा आराम मिल सकता था. जीसस जहाँ भी गए वहाँ लोगों ने उन्हें चारों तरफ से घेर लिया, जिससे यीशु के पास भोजन करने और आराम करने के लिए समय नहीं बचा. कुछ घंटों तक जहाज से यात्रा करने के पश्चात वह अपने शिष्यों के साथ एक जगह जहाज पर से उतरे और सोचा कि यहाँ पर वे लोग आराम कर पाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो पाया. When they had set foot on the ship, the people of that place had seen them depart and found out which way the ship had sailed. Depart means go, रवाना होना, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह के लिए प्रस्थान करना. This news was conveyed to one and all. Conveyed means मैसेज पहुंचाना दूसरों तक, दूसरों को बताना, tell others. This news was conveyed to one and all, so men, women and children flocked out of the cities and began their long journey on foot to be with their dear Lord, not bothering to take any food with them. Tired and weary, they arrived at the place where Jesus was. weary, weary means very tired होता है. Tired and weary, they arrived at the place where Jesus was. When they boarded a ship, the people of that place had seen that Jesus went from there. Then all the people conveyed that news to one and all, and they started their long journey on foot to be live with their Lord. And finally they reached at the place where their Lord Jesus was. जब उन्होंने जहाज़ पर पैर रखा था, उस जगह के लोगों ने उन्हें बाहर निकलते हुए देख लिया और जहाज किस रास्ते से रवाना हुआ ये लोग पता कर लिए थे, और ये संदेश लोगों ने एक दूसरों तक पहुंचा दिया, जिससे सभी पुरुष, महिलाएं और बच्चे शहरों से बाहर आने के लिए और अपने भगवान के साथ रहने के लिए बिना भोजन लिए पैदल ही लंबी यात्रा शुरू कर दिया. वे लोग आखिर में जीसस के पास पहुंच गए थे जहां पर वे थे. When Jesus saw the crowd, his heart was filled with affection for them. Affection means लगाव. Affection for them, and he welcomed them with open arms. He spoke to them with compassion and love. Compassion means pity, means daya, karuna. He spoke to them with compassion and love. The people were overjoyed to be with him once again. The children sat around Jesus while he narrated parables to them. Narrated means told, bataya, narrate karna, batana. Parables means short stories with morals. ऐसी कोई कहानी जिससे कोई शिक्षा मिलती है, कोई सीख मिलती है. Parables. He answered questions and solved problems and taught them words of kindness. With his healing touch, he cured those who were sick and ailing. Ailing means suffering, ग्रसित, जो लोग बीमार थे, ग्रसित थे किसी पीड़ा से. Who were sick and ailing. When the Lord Jesus saw the people, his heart was filled with affection and love for them, and he welcomed them with open arms. He spoke to them with pity and love. The people were very happy to be with him once again. When the children sat around Jesus, he narrated short stories with morals to them, and he answered questions and solved their problems and taught them words of kindness. With his healing touch, he cured the people who were sick and suffering from any kind of disease. जब जीसस ने लोगों को उनकी तरफ आते देखा तो वे बहुत ही खुश हो गए और उन्होंने उन लोगों का स्वागत किया, अपनी बाहें फैलाकर उन लोगों का स्वागत किया और उन लोगों के साथ ही बहुत ही करुणा भरी बातें की, बहुत ही दया के साथ उनसे बोला, उनको प्यार किया. एंड जब लोग उनके साथ रहने लगे तो वो लोग बहुत खुश हो गए थे कि एक बार उन्हें फिर से अपने भगवान के साथ रहने का मौका मिला है. जब बच्चे लॉर्ड जीसस के पास बैठते थे तो वे उन बच्चों को एक छोटी सी कहानियाँ सुनाया करते थे जिसमें से कुछ सीख मिलती, और वे सभी लोगों के क्वेश्चन का आंसर करते थे. जो भी उनके पास सवाल होते थे, लोगों के पास उनके सवालों का समाधान करते थे. वे उनको अच्छी अच्छी बातें सिखाया करते थे. और जब कोई लोग बीमार रहते थे, किसी भी पीड़ा से ग्रसित रहते थे, तो भगवान लॉर्ड जीसस अपना हाथ उन लोगों पर फेरते थे, और जैसे ही वो अपना हाथ उनको टच करते थे, उनकी सारी जो भी दुख दर्द रहता था वो ख़त्म हो जाता था. When the sun began to set, the disciples told Jesus to tell the congregation to return to their homes. Congregation means sabha, जब लोग एक जगह एकत्रित होते हैं. Jesus smiled. He was too kind to send them away hungry like that. He said, "They need not depart. Give them food to eat." The disciples said to him, "We have here but 5 loaves and 2 fishes, which we have just purchased from a young boy." Purchased means kharida. And loaves, bread. Loaves means bread. जब bread को, जैसे अब हम किसी कलेक्टिव नाउन की बात करते हैं तो एक वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं ना ग्रुप के लिए, किसी भी ग्रुप के लिए, तो वैसे ही जब ब्रेड के लिए यूज़ करते हैं तो वहाँ के हम लोव्स बोलते हैं. When the sun began to set, his disciples told Jesus that he tell the people to return to their homes. But Jesus smiled, and he did not want that the people went back to their homes without having food. He said, "They need not depart. Give them food to eat." He told his disciples that give them food to eat, and then they will get back to their homes. Then disciples answered him that they have only 5 loaves and 2 fishes, that which they have purchased from a young boy. जब सूरज डूबने वाला था तब उनके शिष्यों ने उनसे बोला कि वे उन लोगों से बोल दे कि वे अपने घर की तरफ वापस लौट जाएं। लेकिन जीसस ऐसा नहीं चाहते थे। वो ये नहीं चाहते थे कि लोग बिना भोजन किए खाली पेट वापस जाएं। तो उन्होंने अपने शिष्यों से बोला कि खाने के लिए जो भी है वो इन लोगों को दिया जाए। तब उनके शिष्यों ने उन्हें जवाब दिया कि उनके पास केवल 5 लोव्स, केवल 5 ब्रेड्स और 2 मछलियाँ हैं, जो कि अभी उन लोगों ने एक यंग बॉय से खरीदा है। Jesus said, "Bring them to me." He then stood on a high rock so that all his followers would be able to see him. He told the people to sit down on the grass. He took the 5 loaves and the 2 fishes, and looking up to heaven, blessed them and broke them into pieces. He told his disciples to distribute the bread and fish among the people. The disciples carried the bread and fish to each and every person, and they all ate and had plenty. Although there were about 5,000 men, women, and children, yet when the disciples picked up the crumbs and leftover pieces, the fragments filled 12 baskets. Fragments means pieces, tukde. Such was the miracle of Lord Jesus Christ, that not a single person was left hungry. How kind Jesus was. Then Jesus ordered his followers to bring that bread and fishes. He stood on a high rock so that all the people and all the followers would be able to see him. And he told the people to sit down on the grass so that he distribute the food to eat. Jesus took the 5 loaves and 2 fishes, and looking up to the heaven, blessed them and broke them into pieces. उनके ब्रेड के और फिश के उन्होंने टुकड़े किए. And he told his disciples to distribute that bread and fish among the people. Then disciple carried the bread and fish and gave each and every person. They all ate and had plenty. Although there were about 5,000 men, women, and children, there were about 5,000 people. When the disciples picked up the crumbs and leftover pieces, the pieces filled with 12 baskets. जो उन्होंने टुकड़े किए थे उस ब्रेड और फिश के, उससे 12 टोकरियाँ भर गई थी, जो कि सारे लोगों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया. और सभी लोग 5,000 लोग वहाँ पर एकत्रित थे. सभी लोगों ने भोजन किया. उससे कोई ऐसा नहीं बचा जिसे खाने के लिए ना मिला हो. Such was the miracle of Lord Jesus Christ, that not a single person was left hungry. How kind Jesus was. ये लॉर्ड जीसस क्राइस्ट का एक चमत्कार था, जिससे केवल 5 लोव्स और 2 फिशेस से उन्होंने लगभग 5,000 लोगों का पेट भरा. Now let's see some difficult words. disciples, disciples means shishya. Disciple means shishya, followers. Board, board, board. Secluded, secluded, secluded. voyage, 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 voyage. convey, convey means tell others. Convey, convey. affection, affection. AFFECTION affection means लगाव. Compassion 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 means pity, दया, compassion. NARRATED narrated. PARABLES parables. PARABLES parables. CONGREGATION congregation means सभा या जमाव. जब लोग एकत्रित होते हैं एक जगह पे, that is congregation. Purchased PURCHASED purchased. FOLLOWERS followers. FOLLOWERS followers. DISTRIBUTE distribute. DISTRIBUTE distribute. FRAGMENTS fragments. FRAGMENTS fragments.